In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring product in Go High Level and connect it to your order form for automatic subscription billing. To get started, head over to the payments section in your Go High Level account and then open products. This is where you create the offers you want to sell, including one-time purchases and recurring subscriptions. Since the goal here is to charge customers automatically on an ongoing schedule, we'll be setting up a recurring product. Once you're inside products, click the Create Product button. This opens the product setup area where you can define how the customer will be charged. One of the most important settings here is the price type. Make sure you choose Recurring. This tells the system that the product is not a one-time payment, but something the customer will be billed for repeatedly based on a schedule. After that, set the billing period for the subscription. For example, you can choose weekly or monthly depending on how often you want the customer to be charged. This part is important because it controls the billing cycle going forward. Think carefully about the subscription structure you want before saving so it matches the service, membership, or ongoing offer you're selling. Once the recurring product has been created, the next step is to connect it to your funnel. Go into the funnel builder and add an order form element if you haven't already. The order form is what allows your customer to enter their payment information and complete the purchase. Inside the order form settings, find the order options area and select the recurring product you just created. This connection is what makes the subscription work properly on the front end. Instead of just displaying a form, the order form is now tied directly to that recurring billing product. So the customer is purchasing the correct offer when they check out. When the client completes the checkout, Go High Level will automatically store their card on file and bill them according to the billing cycle you set earlier. So if you selected weekly, they'll be charged every week. If you selected monthly, they'll be charged every month. This helps automate your revenue collection and reduces the need for manual follow-up. As a final tip, always double check the billing period and the selected product inside your order form before publishing the funnel. That small review can help prevent billing mistakes and make sure your subscription setup works exactly as expected.